Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this session, I want presentation in two topic. In topic 1, I have hardware. In topic 2, I have software and operating system. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohamad Arif Rijqonil Ibad. I'm from class 19.2b.14, and my name is 90 24 13 and 17. Hardware. We're gonna talk about hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components that make up a computer system. These are parts you can see and touch, such as the keyboard, mouse, monitor, and internal parts like the CPU and RAM. Hardware is important because it performs all tasks, but it cannot work without software, which give it interaction. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical body of the computer. It includes all electronic and mechanical parts that help the computer to function. Without hardware, there will be nothing to run software on. Some part of are inside the case like CPU, motherboard, while other are outside like monitor and keyboard. Category of hardware, he have four. He have input device. Input device, his job for use send data into the computer. Like example is keyboard, mouse, or scanner. Into output device, show the result of the computer action. Example, monitor, speaker, and printer. Number 3, storage device. Save data permanently or temporarily. The example is hard drive, HDD or SDD. Number 4, processing device. These are parts that actually do the computer work. CPU, GPU. Input device. Input device allow user to interact with the computer. For example, keyboard used for typing letters and numbers. Mouse is used for moving the cursor and clicking on item. Scanners can turn physical documents into digital copies. Microphone capture audio for recording or communication. Output device. Output device show the result after the computer process the input. Some important output device are 1. Monitor, display image, video, and user interface. 2. Printer, produce a physical copy of digital files. 3. Speakers, output sound from the system such as music or alerts. These devices are essential to help understand and use data processed by the computer. Storage device. Storage device save data it can be used again later. Example 1. Hard disk drive, HDD, has large storage capacity, often used in desktop and laptops. 2. Solid state drive, SSD, faster and more reliable than HDD, commonly used in modern laptop. USB flash drive, small and portable, good for transferring file. Storage can be internal inside the computer or external, plug into it. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer. The CPU is responsible for processing instruction and performing calculation. It often called the brain of the computer. Storage device, hard drive versus solid state drive. Hard drive is older storage technology with moving part, and solid state drive faster storage without moving part. Motherboard is the main board that connects all components. It holds the CPU, RAM, storage, and other parts. It also includes slots for expansion and port for USB, sound, and video. The motherboard ensures that all the hardware can communicate and work together as one system. Conclusion of the hardware is a critical part of every computer system. It includes everything physical that allows use to the interact with the machine. Understanding the function of each hardware component helps us operate, maintenance, and troubleshoot computer better. Without hardware, computer would not exist. We move to topic 2. We have software and operating system, or OS. Software and the operating system are like the brain and manager of the computer. They control how the computer works and allow us to do tasks. While hardware is the body, software gives the instruction. Without software, hardware would do nothing. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions written in the program language that tell the computer how to perform tasks. You cannot touch software because it's digital. It controls how the hardware operates and allows users to run applications like browser, game, and tools. He have four types of software. 1. System software. His job for manage the basic function of the computer. The most important example is the operating system, or OS. 2. Application software. His job help user perform specific tasks like typing document or editing image. Example for application is Microsoft Word, VLC Media Player, and other. In number 3, programming software. Tools used by developers to write and test code. Example application is Python, Java, Visual Studio. Function of the operating system. Function of the operating system. He have process management for control how the program run and share CPU time. Memory management for allocate space in RAM in running apps. File management for organize how files are saved and opened. Device management for control device like a printer and USB. User interface give the user a screen GUI to click and control. What is an operating system, OS? The operating system is the most important software in a computer. It starts when the computer turns on and stays active while it's working. It controls the hardware, allows the apps to run, and provide the user with way to interact with the machine. Example of the operating system. You have a Windows, most common OS used in school and office. Mac OS, made by Apple, used in MacBook and iMacs. Linux, free and open source, used by developers and servers. Android, used on smartphone and tablets. iOS, Apple mobile OS for iPhone and iPads. How software and OS work together. When you open app software, the OS help it run. The OS gives the memory, tell the hardware what to do, and display result on screen. For example, when the opening Microsoft Word, the OS show the Windows management, the typing, and save the document. Importance of software for the communication. It help user give command and see the result. In productivity, enable user to work with spreadsheet, email, or document. In entertainment, lets user use play games, watch movie, and listen to music. For automation, automates tasks like scheduling meeting or sending email. Software update and maintenance. Software need update to stay safe and work well. The example for the update is 1. Update fix bugs for the problem, and they patch security holes to stop hackers. Sometimes updates give new feature or better design. Ignoring update can make the system slow or unsafe. Conclusion of the software. Software and the operating system are the heart of the modern computing. They make it possible to use hardware, run program, and do any task. By understanding software, we can use computer more effectively and securely. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.